Hello dear students, I, Miss Archana Gawale, Assistant Professor. We will start with Unit 2nd, that is Process of Selling. In today's video, we are going to focus on Psychology of Salesmanship. Introduction to the Psychology of Salesmanship. A study of consumer's mind is useful for successful selling. Otherwise, human needs cannot be converted into wants. It is essential to know about the consumer's likes and dislikes, what appeals to them, and what type of person he is. By knowing this, through salesman is also be the various stages in psychology of salesmanship includes first attracting attentions, second awakening interest, third arousing demand, fourth securing action. First attracting attentions. The first step of the salesman is attracting the attention of the customer towards the product. At this stage, the salesman tells the customer about the existence of the product which can satisfy their needs. Some special efforts are also necessary in case of new product because they are previously unknown to the customers. They should be brought into the notice of the customers. Therefore, it is necessary that the customer's attention should be attracted towards the existing product as well as new product. As a result, they may see the product or services and think whether it will be of any use to them. By inducing such thinking about the goods is a part of the sales efforts and the sale is automatically completed. Second is awakening interest. Once the attention of the prospect is drawn towards the product, his interest in that product should be developed for maintaining that attention. Therefore, the second step of the salesman is to create the interest of the consumer. Creating interest is highly essential because attention is short lived and unless it is maintained, a sales cannot be made. Hence, the salesman should talk so tactfully that the prospect interest is created in that product or service. For that, he has to clearly understand the prospect's psychology. The salesman can create and arouse the interest of the prospect by telling him the interesting features of the product. For example, he can describe the process of manufacturing or utility of the article. When the prospect is interested to hear more from the salesman, he is supposed to be interested. People always want to hear, see, and witness something new and novel. Therefore, the salesman should always try to present things in his own and new ways. Next step is arousing or creating desire. The third step of the salesman is to arouse or create desire in the minds of the prospect about the product. This is one of the important stage for the salesman after creating interest in the minds of prospect. Desire may be created after arousing interest. The prospect may be interested in a large number of things, but he may not desire that product or service. It is the responsibility of the salesman to convert his interest into a desire. However, if interest is created properly, the next step of creating desire will automatically follow. Unfortunately, interest does not end in a desire always. The buyer may have second thought about a purchase or may decide to purchase alternative product. The salesman, while converting the interest into desire or creating desire by itself, make the prospect feel that the product or services is necessary for them. This can be done by emphasizing the selling point or advantages of articles. Last step, securing action. The next and final step in the process of selling is securing action. The prospect can be permitted by the salesman to see, smell, taste, touch, hear, and feel the product to be sold. The selling points must again be emphasized because the more a point is explained, the deeper is its effect. Once a prospect is convinced about the products, its price, its utility, and services, it automatically leads to a sale. In order to have a deeper effect, the prospect should also be convinced about the firm and its other products. In order to secure action, the salesman has to clear all the doubts of the consumers by giving enough evidence regarding the quality, price, services offered for the product. They should be shown demonstration and illustrated services of the product. The ultimate decision to buy should be left entirely to the consumers. The salesman should be careful not to interfere directly in the decision making of the consumer. Thank you.